And now, your News 13 Skywatch weather.
Good evening. I'm tracking a strong cold front, which is bringing gusty winds, cold temperatures, and even a higher fire risk for our area. As you can see, it's currently making its way through the Carolinas and Raleigh 51 degrees, but we're much cooler at 35 degrees. And we are gusty this evening. Places like Newland, 44 miles per hour from the northwest. We currently have some wind alerts, including a wind advisory and a high wind warning. In Avery County, gusts up to 60 miles per hour. This could lead to downed power lines and also trees. So make sure that you're staying safe. You might have a few power outages within the area. Wind chills are also possible as we have a cold weather advisory starting tonight for Avery County, -5 to -11 degrees. That is going to be a chilly one. So make sure that you are bundling up. A fire weather watch is in place until Tuesday for Stevens, Franklin, and even Hart County as we continue to have these dry conditions. In Asheville, we have a high fire danger right now as we have very low humidity and these winds continue to gust throughout the evening. Temperatures are sitting in those 30s as we move further southward, even 50s in Greenwood as this front passes through and this cold air sets in. The wind is making it feel a lot colder. In places like Boone, already single digits are on the board. A round of clouds is currently sitting along the North Carolina-South Carolina state line. Other than that, we've got clear skies tonight and out there on our Hunter Subaru Skycam network at the Pisgah Inn. Beautiful view, great visibility, and that flag is definitely flying. As we get higher into the atmosphere, wind chills tend to feel cooler, and that's because there's less vegetation at the top of these mountains, so the wind blows a little bit faster, and you can definitely feel it. Here's our weather planner for tonight. We get into single digits as we head around the overnight hours. Temperatures drop, chance for some teens. The winds will continue to gust, even in places like Newland, reaching 50 miles per hour tonight. Expect mostly clear skies to stay throughout the area as we continue to see these winds move throughout the area as well. So sunny skies as we head into Tuesday. It's going to be a great day, but a very chilly one overall. Low temperatures will continue to be cold. Tuesday morning, teens, New Year's, we've got 20s, and New Year's Day, more 20s on the way. So make sure to dress appropriately and remember the 4 P's. Pipes, plants, pets, and people. Keep those pets and people inside. Same with your plants and those pipes. Make sure to drip them just a bit. Here's your next 7 days, your extended forecast. We've got more dry conditions, sunny skies, and then after these cool temperatures, we warm up into the 50s.